Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope well. I'm not gonna do this when I got in the car, out of the car. It's actually May 1st today. I was just gonna take the weekend off and just kind of relax, but I was looking at the weather reports for today and it said partly cloudy. I thought, why not take advantage and come out for the day and do some videos. I got a few things I wanted to do. Lunch I'm gonna cook and just, you know, shoot some vids because next weekend is Mother's Day weekend and I'm gonna be busy spending the day with my mom. Well, Sunday with my mom, but Saturday I'll probably just be home relaxing, and then Sunday I'll go visit mom, and then after that I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. But right now I'm actually gonna get a fire going. I think a group of people just left here, so I guess it timed it out pretty well because today's Sunday. So, ooh, that was loud. Sounded like a pretty big gunshot. I got the Jeep out. You know, the truck's still out, so you know, Jeep works just fine. When I get into town, I'm gonna wash it. It's filthy anyway, so all right, let's get to it. Alright, I didn't bring any wood, which is fine, but I see it standing dead, which I'm gonna hack. Hack it down. Pull it down first. Alright. Sweet. Nice and dry. Get that over to the fire pit. Perfect. Small, standing, and dead. I don't need a huge tree nor a huge fire, so. Away. Alright, so if this lichen is dry, I may be able to utilize it for my fire. It's got a whole bunch on here. If I hold it to my cheek, it's not getting a lot of cold, but I wouldn't say it's throwing off a lot of heat either, but we'll see. Alright. So I tend to try cutting my wood starting at the bigger end, and the reason I do that because as I get tired The wood is getting smaller and easier to cut. If you're wondering where the battery-powered chainsaw is, it's at home. I didn't want to bring it every single time. Sometimes you just got to put in the elbow grease. Unfortunately, there's quite a bit of moisture in almost all this wood, but the insides look pretty dry, so we're gonna get down to the interior. Freaking knots. Figured heck with it. Let's go with the good old-fashioned Bic lighter. See, it's lighting, but it's not staying lit. Pretty typical. I got some cedar bark. Come on. Okay. Did I see cedar bark? I meant to say birch bark. Yeah, flat surface. All right, take two. That's some birch bark shavings. Had. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen birch bark struggle before. Usually the stuff I have is thinner, but it's a little ridiculous. Dadgum. Alright, I'm done effing around. Zip fire starter. I was weird about the birch bark, but it was probably all me just rushing, not taking my time, doing it right. Bad habit. Bad mark. Gotta quit doing that. I usually only do that when the camera's on, but then I only make fire when the camera's on. So it's like, usually only make fire when the camera's on. You know, that wood was standing dry, or standing dead, but it wasn't very dry, so that's alright. I got a fire going, so I'm not totally dissatisfied. Got my little table set up here to put stuff on. I still have my bag in the car. Gotta go dig out the grill I'm gonna cook on. I'm actually gonna make a second fire just for cooking on. 'Cause I'm doing a review, so this is just for enjoyment.